Hey YouTube, I bought another Eagle.
Hey guys, nearly Halloween here in Wisconsin. This is a 1985 AMC EAGLE, missing the front hub, wheel assembly rotor. Just picked it up over here in Minnesota, and we're gonna haul it home tonight. All right, we got the old ATV winch here. We're gonna slide it on this knuckle's missing it's got a knuckle missing the bearing and hub. It's been sitting here a couple years. Yeah, we'll straighten this out. The Eagle has landed.
We copy you down, Eagle. Listen, the Eagle has landed.
Okay, which way we gotta go here? It pretty much drug our slider board here because the hub poked, the spindle poked a hole in there. We're dragging her up here. Pretty clean old Eagle, although the interior needs a little shampoo job. She's all there.
You might want to straighten this wheel out.
Hang on. Which way? It's going now. All right, get in on this thing. Let's see how this is doing. Coming up the ramp. All right, go ahead, Nick. Oh, ha. Cable broke. Well, looks like we found enough. We shredded that. We just shredded that. All right, looks like we're going to use the come along for the last 5 feet. Yeah, they're tying knot, You want to use a snatch block? Or?
Yeah. We'll go.
Okay. Unlock it.
Hold on. Stop going.
Yep.
Pull.
Put it over right by you. All right. You get the tension out of her. Got it? There we go. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. This is coming on slowly now. I know why the winch cable broke now. It's pulling on hard right here.
It's working. Slowly but surely.
Right here, yeah. It's going on. As soon as it gets over, we may end up catching on the edge of the trailer. I can't see it here. We're right at the edge of the trailer. It should pop on or hook, like right there.
Huh?
Hang on, I think it hooked.
Yeah.
What we got to do is lift the body. Oh, lift the frame right here. Okay, there she went. Now over it. Wheel assembly we can throw under there if we have to. All right, throw it park. We're going to try the other winch here. Okay. That's roller's working pretty good.
Yeah.
We're all the way back. That's good.
Yeah.
Thanks to my buddy Nick for tying the car down. I want to say thanks for the deal.
No problem.
Appreciate it. We'll
Thanks for
take
doing
good care of it for you. You'll see it on YouTube.
Yeah.